Hey everyone, this is Alex at GridPlus, and today I'm going to be demoing the Lattice One hardware wallet integration with Onboard.js. So in front of me I have a Lattice One device, and I have a forked version of Blocknative's Onboard demo app, a little React app. So what I'm going to show you is how to connect your Lattice One to any application that uses Onboard.js. And I'm going to show you how to request your addresses, how to sign transactions, and how to switch between wallets. So to start, I have my Lattice that has my connections page pulled up. A connection is a secure channel that's established between your Lattice and any application that would connect to it. And right now, we're going to be adding an application, which is this sort of onboard demo app. So on here, I'm going to select a wallet, and I've added the Lattice One as a wallet. And so what this is going to do is, once I select my account, it's going to pop up a window that is going to ask you for a device ID and a password. So every Lattice has a unique device ID, which you can get to on the main menu. And this one's is a little hard to read in this lighting, but it's 3PZBBB. And then for a password, you can put anything you want. It's really just a salt. We have more explanation on this page for anyone interested, but it's basically just a salt used to establish the secure connection. So this secret is displayed on my Lattice, and it needs to be entered out of band. And what this does is establish this encrypted channel that I was talking about. So now that I've connected this application, I could go back to my connections page, and there's a new record here that says onboard. Now, of course, you can choose any name you want. It would depend on the application, but for this one, I just put onboard in this demo app. So it's pulled my address. You can see I have 0 ETH on it. And if I were to go back on my Lattice, you would see it says Lattice One addresses. This is my onboard Lattice One wallet. So I'll go ahead and import this. It's going to tell me that I don't have any Ether, which is true. But fortunately, I have a safeguard here. So this is basically an extensible wallet. And if I were to insert this and unlock it, it's going to change my wallet on my device. So I have this super secret PIN. Okay, so as you can see, it now says safeguard addresses because the safeguard is now my active wallet on this device. So now what I want to do is I want to switch my account. I want to select the same path. We only support this path we only support the first account, the first address of this account path. However, you can buy as many safeguards as you want and load a different wallet on each one. You can switch between them. So I'm going to switch this. And I have to hit load more here. Oh, actually, before I do that, I'm going to copy this address. Sorry. To hit load more, so it's going to now establish a connection. Or sorry, it's going to request this wallet. And once it does, it's going to recognize this is a new address. And this one actually has ETH. Okay, so I'm done. And what I want to do now is I want to send a little bit of ETH to that account that I just had on my Lattice. So I'm going to send a transaction. It's going to take a second to reach my device. And you can see it's asking, again, the lighting is pretty tough here, but it's asking if I want to transfer this tiny amount of Ether to that address with that gas and that fee. And I do. So it's going to sign the request, and it's going to send it. And we're on the Rinkeby network, so it shouldn't take very long. We're going to go to Rinkeby here. Already confirmed. Okay, So now I'm going to go back. I just need to pull out this card, so I'm done with it. And now I'm going to switch back to my account here. Again, I need to load more. Okay, and now you can see that I have 0.001 ETH. So I've just shown you how to switch between accounts, connect, and send a transaction. And that's just a very simple demo of how to use the Lattice one with any application that uses Blocknative's Onboard.js. Thanks for watching.